This is the first week of experimentation and production. I've started on the first and fourth practical experimentation techniques, which are shading, art, and AI movement. But I haven't finished either yet. I'm doing the techniques out of order because the first three are shading, character design, and 3D animation, all of which are easier to do at home because I have a drawing tablet and programs I'm more familiar with. The other two are AI movement and a third-person gun, which are for Unreal Engine. These are easier to do at college because they have a more powerful computer. For the shading experimentation, I followed the guide by Aveline Stockart, which I found and explained in the research section. I started by finding a reference image. I used an image of Gypsy Danger from the movie Pacific Rim because I wanted to experiment with lighting and drawing machinery, as I'll be making a factory for my project. I first sketched the design, setting the layer to multiply so it's easier to see over the colours, and then I added said colours using the select and fill tools to get a clean look. When I was happy with the colours, I added the background using shape tools for the buildings and brushes for the lights to get the impression of machinery. I also started experimenting with AI movement. I managed to finish the first method I planned, which was blackboard-based movement. This method uses a blackboard to go through a process that tells the AI how to move. The first way is if it cannot see the player, in which case it moves randomly. The second is if it can see the player, in which case it will chase them until it can no longer see them. I also followed two extra videos to create a couple of mechanics that I wanted for my game. The first is how to limit the camera's rotation, as I only wanted the player to be able to look forwards, with a small radius. The second was about how to attach a widget to the mouse cursor, so I could have a custom crosshair move wherever the player looks, as having it stuck in the middle of the screen wouldn't be good with the camera locked to a small radius.